What if your Ledger key became much more than just a crypto wallet? What if it became your digital ID, your magic key for the entire web, from Web3 to your Google or Amazon accounts? The new Ledger Nano Gen5 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete game changer. In this video, we'll explore together why this new gem, made in France, could become the center of your digital freedom. And as a bonus, I'll give you my official Ledger link in the description for those who want to get one directly. Ledger is our French pride. For years, they've been securing the cryptocurrencies of millions of users worldwide. But with the Ledger Nano Gen5, they're taking a new step into decentralized digital identity. Gone is the stiff design of earlier versions. The Nano Gen5 features a larger, touch-sensitive screen and a design inspired by the Ledger stacks and Flex. It's modern, sleek, and most importantly, much more comfortable to use. Ledger no longer wants us to say wallet, but signer, literally someone who signs. Because unlike a regular wallet, your Ledger doesn't hold your crypto, it protects your private keys, and these keys are what let you access your funds on the blockchain. The Ledger's job is to sign your transactions securely, without ever exposing your keys to the internet. This change in words is important. It shows Ledger's vision of a device that's not just a safe, but a real tool for digital independence. And here, the change is huge. Thanks to the new security key app, the Nano Gen5 becomes your access key for the web. You can now log into your Google, Amazon, LinkedIn, Binance, or other accounts without a password, simply by signing with your Ledger. This is what we call Passkeys, a technology that replaces passwords with a cryptographic signature. Your Ledger keeps the private key. The website gets your public key. You sign, and the connection is approved, without ever showing your secret. The result: no more forgotten, hacked, or reused passwords. Your Ledger becomes your universal digital ID card. Ledger has also thought about backup security. The Nano Gen5 now includes the recovery key, a secure physical card, normally sold for $39. It comes right in the box for a reliable and lasting backup of your recovery phrase. And all this for $179, which is about the same price as the Nano X. Ledger also announced new features: NOAA, to buy stablecoins directly with regular money, and exclusive rewards with up to $400,000 in SUI to win. What makes this Nano Gen5 special is its double use. It protects your crypto and NFTs like a normal Ledger, but it also becomes your secure login tool for your everyday websites. We're no longer just talking about managing digital assets. We're talking about total digital freedom. One device to sign, log in, and protect your digital life from Web 2 to Web 3. For me, the Ledger Nano Gen5 is more than an update. It's a quiet revolution. If you're new, you get top-notch security. If you're ahead of the curve, you get convenience and a new way to manage your digital identities. It's a logical step in Ledger's evolution, and great news for anyone who takes security seriously. If you want to take the leap and secure your crypto with this new model, I've put the official Ledger link right below the video. By using this link, you support the CryptoSavoir channel while ordering from Ledger's official website at no extra cost to you. Tell me in the comments, do you also think the Nano Gen5 will become the main tool for our digital lives? And most importantly, remember, your crypto is your responsibility. And now, it's also your digital identity. If you liked this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more content.